My name is Hans, and I'm from Norway.
So anyway, Hans is from the other side of the planet, all the way over in Norway, and they're watching my videos. I think that's kind of cool. So anyway, he wants some help with a panel for his machine. He wants to get a hold of my files. Well, let me check this guy out. Looks like they can do some robotics. Looks like they can do some really cool robotics. So after seeing the kind of stuff that they can do, I was like, oh yeah, absolutely, I got to help these guys. Tell me more about yourself. Let me learn more about your location out there. So this is Hans.
I study at Telemark University College, and this is our hackerspace. It's called Elektronikklubben, and which actually means the Electronics Club. Here we got tons of components, power supplies, oscilloscopes, and a large CNC mill, as you'll see later. Here you can see our room. It's kind of messy and kind of big, and yeah, as you can see, we got tons of equipment. We got it for free from the school because we got this deal with them that all the old equipment they put here instead of throwing it out. We don't pay anything to be a member here. The only requirements is that you are a member of the local student community and a student at this university college. That's all. This is our component and our equipment cabinets. All these components, yeah, as you can see, we got tons of them. We actually got them from an old telephone factory. So we got all of them for free. So yeah, we got plenty. Here are all the equipment, our own project cabinets. Yeah, some old student projects. Soldering stations. And our fancy logo with fading lights. Awesome. Yes, here we are, components. And what you really want to see, or CNC mill. It's a Boxford 260 VMC, and it's running Linux CNC.
So I sat down at my development machine. It's another computer that I've got just for developing software for Linux CNC and custom panels. And I played around with it, and I don't have a spindle that has a PWM on it like they do. So I said, wait a minute, I got an idea. I'm going to use my function generator. Hooked it all up and made the first file and said, here, try this.
Here's the new panel. So if we start by manually turning on the spindle clockwise, and we set up the speed, you can see it's not reading the encoder.
Okay, it took a couple of hours, but I finally figured it out. I got it into my thick head. Let me show you what I found. Up in here, it's how in the RPM. This RPM screen uses the spindle speed here, okay? It's also got, you come in, so the single program 30,000 speed, until turn off the RPM, then 400 again. So then there's a setup command called here, and set scale of 1.5 plus minus. I started working on this about 8 o'clock. But we're there, so that's cool.
Here is the panel that Jerry helped us out with. This is the Linux CNC. With this panel over here. Here you can see the RPM spindle speed, real-time feedback. We can control the X, Y, and Z axis. And we got a go home and set 0, reset and leave rotation. We also got a tab over here called function, where automatic peg drilling is located. And we got a tab that's reserved for future purposes. So if I press the forward button here, you can see the spindle feeds data back to the panel. I can also control the axis and the jog speed here. If I do like this, I can okay, see, look at that. And the y-axis and the z-axis. And here you can see the spindle clockwise and counterclockwise. It's really helpful having this panel, so thanks, Jerry.